as a Hebrew, you should be recognized as holy, set apart. Not only because you're a Hebrew, because you actually keep the Torah. Now, a lot of things that people that claim they keep the Torah don't do pertains to loving their neighbor, pertains to helping people out that need help. Within your means, of course. And, of course, using wisdom. So say you're out in public. People should be able to recognize that you're a Hebrew with or without you wearing fringes. With or without you proclaiming you're an Israelite. With or without your skin color. Say you in public and you see an old person, regardless of their race, because we're supposed to be the example. So say you see an old person and they struggling with their groceries or carrying something in general, or they ain't even gotta be old. You just see somebody struggling, doing anything really. You supposed to be the one out of 1,000 people. Out of 1,000 people, you supposed to be the one to offer help and help them out. Or some, because they'll have 1,000 other people walk by and not even offer help, let alone give it. Well, we supposed to be the example. So out of everybody in the vicinity, the ones that are supposed to be the light unto the Gentiles and to the nations, should you not be the one to show people how to keep the Torah, how to love your neighbor, how to, how to be a good person in general, how to show the same compassion and hospitality that Abraham showed? That all the holy men showed? Or somebody on the corner in need and they asking for food, and a bunch, thousands of their own people pass by, don't give them money or food. And I can understand not giving money because you don't know what they're gonna do with it. They could buy drugs, they could buy liquor. So use wisdom. Sometimes it's better to just buy the food for them. If they reject the food, then they looking for money, which I've had happen to me. I offered somebody food, they was asking for money. I offered them food, and they got low key kind of mad that I was giving them food and not money. So I was, out of here with that. But the point being, as a light unto the nations, we gotta be the examples to the nations. Not only with how we treat ourselves, our own people, but how we treat other nations. Because if you one of them Israelites that only help people that look like you a piece of shit. Now, understand, first and foremost, it always is your people first. It's always your people first. Especially if they're a righteous Israelite. You put your people first. But that does not mean that if you had the ability to help somebody and they really need help, that you don't help them. And you gotta be a sick motherfucker, man, to see a child or a woman or a human being in general starve, and you feel no compassion on that shit. You feel no compassion at all, and you have the ability to help and you don't. You are not holy. You're wicked as hell. You expect nations to follow you, bro. You fucking crazy. You must be out your mind. The nation's supposed. It's a lot. Still got a little mucus. The nation's supposed to look at us and say they are a wise and understanding nation because of the laws they have and the God they serve. How they gonna say that if you don't help somebody just because of how they look, and you can't even know 100% if they Israel or not. But even if they a Gentile, you're supposed to show them the way. You might be the bridge for them to turn from their idols and their religion because of how you walk. You give them food, you help them, and they see your fringes. They see your fringes. They say you serve the God of Israel. And they wonder, why is this Hebrew the only person that helped me out? Why is this the only person that gave me food? My own people, my own religion didn't help me out. My own family didn't help me out. But this person that serves the Elohim or Yisrael, they did. Why is that? That's just going to steer them to Torah. That's just going to steer them to the Most High. And it's prophecy, the remnant of all nations that survive are going to cleave unto the Israelites and their Elohim and the Torah. 10 will grab a hem of a Jew and say, we're going to follow you because we heard the Most High with you. But you wicked ass Israelites that have no compassion, barely have compassion for your own people, have zero for people that just cause they don't look like you. Y'all wicked as hell, and y'all are delaying. Y'all are turning people away. Y'all turning strangers away from serving the Most High. And you are not a light. That's just a quick rant. That's a quick rant. Y'all need to get it together. Y'all need to be the light. Y'all need to be the example. Y'all need to be the message that you're talking about. So shut your mouth.